Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Camping names: rope, rope, match, match, binoculars, binoculars, compass, compass, gloves, gloves, hiking boots, hiking boots, torch, British English, flashlight, American English, torch, British English, flashlight, American English, lighter, lighter, penknife, penknife, axe, axe, knives, knives, lantern, lantern, burner, burner, thermos bottle, thermos bottle, deck chair, deck chair, barbecue grill, barbecue grill, tongs for charcoal, tongs for charcoal, first aid kit, first aid kit, mat, mat, campfire, campfire, skewer, skewer, backpack, backpack, tent, tent, sleeping bag, sleeping bag, camper van, camper van. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.